According to the German philosopher of pessimism and much influence and renown in the world, Arthur Schopenhauer, hatred is an affair of the heart, contempt, that of the head, meaning hatred, jealousy, envy are actually human qualities and conditions that basically arouse because of one's own incompetency, inability, and lack of courage, confidence, character, intelligence, etc., and also from one's own insecurities, weaknesses, shortcomings, and deficiencies that one constantly refuses to either identify or recognize within themselves that plague their actions, infiltrate their relationships, interrupt their growth, and ultimately downgrade their character and personality in one way or another. And this constant refusal to either recognize and improve and enhance and overcome all their weaknesses and deficiencies and insecurities can lead to the creation of hatred in their hearts, which is again a function of the heart. So hatred and hate in general comes from the heart and not the head, but contempt on the other hand, which basically refers to the condition, the idea or the knowledge that someone or some people or not anyone is actually worthy or deserving of admiration, respect, honor. That idea stems and lives in the head, and that means contempt or basic dishonor, disrespect for the other people arouses or lives directly in the head and not in the heart. But hatred, on the other hand, stems from the heart because of emotional, mental, psychological deficiencies and inabilities and weaknesses that one does not improve and that one constantly refuses to either recognize in themselves and seek improvement and progress over those deficiencies. And therefore hatred becomes a common condition for the weak people in the societies that lack character, sovereignty, distinction, individuality, and independence in their attitude, mentality that directly ultimately reflects upon their behaviors and actions and cripples their independent attitude and also thwarts and destroys their relationships in one way or another. So hatred becomes real for them, but contempt, that feeling of complete discontent, dishonor, and disrespect for the others, and that not anyone is worthy of anything, comes and dwells directly in the head and not in the heart. So these are two fundamentally and essentially different